So I've been cleaning the hot tub, and I cleaned the cover first because without a roof on it, without a roof overhead, it had built up this mold fungus on the cover, and it was on there really hard, but I was able to wet it down and scrub it, and this, which is pretty much ruined now, worked pretty good. I had that plastic covering on. I pretty much have destroyed it because it worked pretty good on the calcium. So one time I put in like 5 gallons of vinegar, and wow, it sparkled. That really took care of it. But then my heater element went like a few months later, and I wasn't sure, was it related? Oh, I got a little bit of spot here. So what I've been doing is, this time I thought, you know what, I'm going to just try spritzing on the vinegar and cleaning it that way. Leave it on for a little bit, then scrub it, and then put some more on, do that. It works. It is a lot more work, but I'm not worried about hurting anything inside doing this. Next time I might take a middle ground and maybe do, I'm still working on cleaning this area. Maybe do 1 gallon of vinegar for a couple days and then drain it, and just maybe that would loosen it up. So I took this cover off here and I'm cleaning that. I need to put a little bit more vinegar on this. It's starting to loosen up and come off. They had plastic on here, they never took off, and I kind of took it off with my fingernails. I might grab a razor blade and see if I can get that off. There's no need for it. It's not doing anything. It's just probably plastic that was on the plastic coating that was on the plastic piece. I don't know why they just didn't remove it, but it doesn't really matter. It does collect some calcium, so and the cover covers it up so you don't see it. But regardless, I like to do stuff like that. So I wanted to get this off, but apparently they don't want you to take it off, because I gotta look at this video afterwards, but I'm pretty sure that's not anything I can unscrew, which is too bad. I'd like to unscrew that and remove it, clean it, and put it back on. I don't know if my hot tub's getting more dimples in it. I don't think so, but honestly, I can't remember. I remember some. Just don't know if there was this many, but I hope that's not happening. We'll videotape them now, so next time I clean it, I'll remember. 3 of them right here. Okay, so bottom line is, if you get a hot tub, be prepared to clean it. There is some work, and use it every day, because it's an investment and you might as well use it. Okay, so I've cleaned the cover some on the bottom side, and I'd like to clean it some more before I need to wash it down some more. There's more calcium here that's loose, so I need to sponge it down some more, and then I think I'm ready to start filling. I'm going to take these pieces up and soak them in vinegar in the sink. It'll be easy. It should come off doing that. Okay, I can't think of anything else. If I succeed on this, I'll let you know, but I'm going to check some YouTube videos, see if somebody else has figured it out. Okay, and this is the spa cap. It's filled with air. Love it. I don't like those other ones anymore. We had one and just waterlogged, dried it all out, waterlogged again, and you can't hardly lift them when they're waterlogged. That foam, styrofoam, just sucks it right in and holds it. This, just a couple fingers and you can lift it up and slide in. I don't open it up all the way though, so that's a little harder to do. You almost take 2 people, even with the cover lift. Okay, enough said. I checked the levelness of it. It is off a little bit, I would say. This corner's a little bit high, but you can't necessarily go by the edge all the way around, because when I checked there, it was in line with that. Then right here it was perfect, so I don't know. All in all, I don't know if I could even move it if I wanted to. I don't know how many pounds it is. Could I pry this corner up a little bit and put some wedges in? Maybe. But with all the wood piled here, that's not going to be easy. So, hey, it's been like this for, I don't even know, 12 years or more. 20 years? Yeah, who knows? And maybe it was like that right off the bat. It's not much. It's just a little bit, and maybe it doesn't technically even matter. Okay, let's finish it up and get filling. But yeah, I'm super excited having it all sparkling clean. Oh, and I am going to try a different strategy this time. I have a problem with mice. They want to sit on this edge and suck in a little heat and maybe have a little meal or something, and I don't like it. And or that edge, and I don't want it happening. So I've been spraying it with peppermint on the outside, and I thought that was helping, but now I'm going to use the crystals that you can put in the water, and I thought maybe I would fill this little pocket right here with some, and over on the other side, and maybe put some in there, because if the water gets in there, it'll just dissolve them anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But just give this thing some good peppermint lavender odor and try to repel them more. I do have some mole repellent powder, or kind of granular stuff. I'm going to put more of that around. I'm just going to hit it a little bit heavier with the scents. And let's see if that stops these mice. I know the wood, even without the wood here, they still wanted to come to this hot tub, so it doesn't matter. I mean, we live in the woods, so I'd have to go on a extensive killing spree and continue it to probably stop them. And I don't feel like doing that because we have chipmunks and squirrels, and they're not the culprits. Although they have been known to get on here, but they don't do the damage that the mice do. Okay, enough said. Let's finish cleaning and get this thing filled.